Hello students and welcome back to BankExamsToday.com. My name is Ramandeep Singh and today we are going to do government schemes for MSMEs in India, and I'm going to do the session for the SIDBI Grade A and Grade B exam. Very important session. Latest updates are there. जो भी updates हुई हैं government schemes में for MSMEs, we have covered that in this particular session. ठीक है. So let's start the session with the SIDBI Grade A Grade B course that is available on BankExamsToday.com, in which we are covering the entire syllabus, right? Link to join the course is available in the description. You can just check, and my WhatsApp number is also available. Here is the number. So we start with PMEGP, the flagship scheme of the BJP government, right? This scheme is the PMEGP. It's a credit-linked subsidy scheme. First of all, you need to understand it is a credit-linked subsidy scheme for taking the loan. For starting a new business by MSME, you get subsidy. आपको सब्सिडी मिलती है जब भी एक MSME नया बिजनेस स्टार्ट करती है, कुछ इनोवेटिव अगर आप बिजनेस स्टार्ट कर रहे हो, यू टेक द लोन अंडर द स्कीम, यू गेट सब्सिडी, राइट? सो इट जनरेट्स एम्प्लॉयमेंट, राइट? एम्प्लॉयमेंट जनरेट करती है, टैक्स रेवेन्यू बढ़ता है इवेंचुअली गवर्नमेंट का. So generate employment opportunity, promote self-employment ventures and micro enterprises, provide sustainable employment, increase wage earning capacity of the workers, contribute to the growth of urban and rural employment. Basically employment बढ़ानी है, self-employment को promote करना है, right? So if your age is between 18, if your age is above 18 and there is no income ceiling and the qualification is 8th pass for projects costing 10 lakh and above in manufacturing and 5 lakh in the service sector. So assistance is available only for new projects, not for the existing projects. सिर्फ नए projects को जो है benefit मिलेगा. Financial assistance margin money subsidy on bank loans ranges from 15 to 35%. So you get subsidy from 15 to 35%. 15 से 35% तक की subsidy मिलती है. You take a loan of 10 lakh, maybe you'll be getting 1.5 lakh as subsidy. Subsidy मिलती है, that differs. कहाँ डिफर करती है? इफ़ यू आर फ्रॉम अर्बन एरिया और रूरल एरिया, SC ST एंड वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर्स को ज़्यादा मिलती है, रूरल एरियाज़ में ज़्यादा सब्सिडी जो है वो मिलती है, ठीक है. स्पेशल कैटेगरीज आर देयर फॉर SC ST, वुमेन, फिजिकली हैंडीकैप, माइनॉरिटीज, एक्स सर्विसमैन एंड नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न रीजन, सब्सिडीज हायर देयर, ओके. So maximum project cost is 50 lakhs in the manufacturing and 20 lakh in service sector. The limit has been increased to 50 lakh in manufacturing and 20 in service sector. So banks are providing 90 to 95% of project loan, right? Project cost का 90-95% loan मिल जाता है, right? So it is implemented by Khadi and Village Industries Commission at the national level. At state level, implementing agencies are designated by respective state governments. So बहुत सारे benefits हैं. Subsidy on bank loans to the micro enterprises, employment generation है, economic empowerment है to the beneficiaries, and contribution to rural and urban employment. So very important scheme, and this one is also very important for the MSME CGTMSE. So अगर आप इंटरव्यू देने बैठ जाते हो, अगर आप इंटरव्यू दे रहे हो, RRB का दे रहे हो, इवन SIDBI का दे रहे हो, so if they ask you two most popular schemes for MSME, CGTMSE should be one of them, right? The first one मैं आपको करवा चुका हूँ, दूसरी ये है CGTMSE, Credit Guarantee Trust Fund. So the banks and the financial institutions, they were not ready to give loans or loans or limits to the micro enterprises. छोटी enterprises को loan देने में interested नहीं थे. That is why there is Credit Guarantee Fund. So the government established it. You need to pay some fee for that, right? So Credit Guarantee Fund Trust for MSME was established in August 2000 by the Government of India and SIDBI. Objective क्या है? Credit guarantee to MSEs, right? So credit guarantee, the CGTMSE offers up to 85% guarantee coverage for loans up to 5 lakhs, 75% for loan below from 5 lakh to 5 crores, 75% 5 lakh से 5 करोड़ तक के. Special benefits हैं, additional benefits are provided for women entrepreneurs, SC ST entrepreneurs and people with disabilities, right? So categories micro enterprises loan up to 5 lakhs and 85% तक जो है guarantee है. Above that it is 75%, right? For MSE located in the northeast, for up to 5 lakhs, for up to 50 lakhs, it is 80%, right? It is 80, यहाँ पे 85 है, 80%. And from 50 lakhs to 5 crore, it is 75%. For women entrepreneurs, it is 85%. For all other categories, it is 75%. All other categories of borrowers, it is 75%. So very important, annual guarantee fee of 0.37% to 1% is charged for this facility. Both new and existing MSEs are eligible. CGTMSE recently approved 1 crore guarantees and enabling MSEs to access credit worth 4 lakh crores. So exemption from TDS is provided. Udyam registration, very popular for general public. For people like you and me, हमारे पास आधार कार्ड है. You might be having Aadhaar, PAN, driving license. But if you have a small business, you don't have, if you don't have GST registration or you are not a company, a private limited company नहीं हो, in that case, there is no government document available for you. For that, government started the Udyam registration. You can register your business. Udyam registration, it's an online process for micro, small and medium enterprises to register themselves with the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. So it replaces the Udyog Aadhaar Memorandum registration. पहले उद्योग आधार मेमोरेंडम होता था, now it is Udyam. So eligibility: to be eligible, the business must meet the investment and turnover limits defined for micro, small and medium enterprises. So it provides various benefits, government scheme, subsidies, वैसे कुछ खास है नहीं. Basically आपका एक registration है and एक identity है business का. Generally आप बैंक अकाउंट खोल सकते थे पहले, अभी भी खोल सकते हो I guess. आप इसकी current अकाउंट खोल सकते हो. Okay. So it's a completely entirely online process, self-declaration process, eliminating for the need of submitting any documents, and it is valid for lifetime, doesn't require any renewal, right? So to be eligible for the Udyam registration, a business must fall under the category of micro, small or the medium enterprises. So investment in plant or machinery is up to 1 crore, then it is a small micro enterprise. Turnover up to 5 crore, it's a micro enterprises. So if the investment is more than 1 crore but less than 10 crore, it's a small enterprise. If it turnover is more than 5 crore but less than 50 crore, it's a small enterprise. So investment in plant and machinery not exceeding 50 crores, not exceeding, if it is between 10 to 50 crore, then it's a medium enterprise. Turnover is between 50 to 250 crore, it's a medium enterprise. So ये याद रखें. So MSME समाधान, it's a very common problem for the MSME कि उधारी वापस नहीं आती. That is why the government started the MSME Samadhan. So if you are not getting your money back, the MSME Samadhan is there to tackle issues related to delayed payment from buyers. Buyer payment nahi karte, right? So key features: online application is there, facilitation councils are there, compensation mechanisms are there, right? So buyers are liable to pay compound interest on delayed payment at 3 times the bank rate notified by the RBI if they exceed 45 days. ठीक है? So mandatory registration, Udyam registration is required for filing these complaints, right? So MSEFC conducts hearing where both parties are present, both parties present the case. So if the MSEFC finds the Samadhan council finds the buyer at default, it issues directions to make payment along with interest. The buyer is given 30 days to comply with the directions. ठीक है, 30 days मिलते हैं. Maximum resolution period is 90 days. 90 days का maximum resolution period है. Once directed, buyers have 30 days to make the payment along with the interest. So Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana is not directly related to MSMEs, but still 20 रुपए में 2 लाख का insurance है for accidental death and the disabilities, 20 rupees per annum. So individual between the age of 18 to 70 years are eligible for this accidental insurance coverage, right? 2 लाख रुपए तक का मिलता है. If there is partial impairment of leg or hand or eye, 1 lakh rupee, एक आंख जाती है तो 1 लाख रुपए, एक लाख जाती है 1 लाख रुपए. If total and irrecoverable loss of both eyes or loss of both hand or feet, subscriber receives 2 lakh rupees. So 1 year का coverage है from 1st of June to 31st of May. Udyam Assist platform is there. So launched by Ministry of MSME on 11th of January 2023 under the MSME formalization project, right? It is developed by SIDBI. Purpose क्या है? To bring informal micro enterprises under the ambit for availing benefits under priority sector lending, ताकि proper loan मिल सके banks जो है इनको loan दे सके, right? So IME, informal micro enterprises, they can register without needing to provide documents like PAN, GST, GSTN. इसके बिना भी they register कर सकते हैं. IMEs receive Udyam Registration Certificate through UAP, right? So eShram portal, it's kind of a Naukri.com style of platform for informal labor, right? Unorganized, informal या unorganized workers के लिए this is a proper platform. Labor word गलत है, worker is the right word. I apologize. So it's a national database for unorganized workers. Workers, they get universal account number. बहुत सारे फायदे हैं. सबसे गवर्नमेंट स्कीम्स के फायदे मिल सकते हैं. सिंगल रजिस्ट्रेशन प्रोसेस है. मल्टीलिंगुअल सपोर्ट इज देयर. ग्रीवेंस रिड्रेसल सिस्टम इज देयर. इंटीग्रेशन विद एम्प्लॉयमेंट एंड स्किल अपॉर्चुनिटीज. ठीक है. So to be eligible to register on eShram portal, your age should be between 16 to 59 years, right? Individual must be an unorganized worker, right? The worker should not be member of EPFO or Employee State Insurance Corporation. एक self declaration देना पड़ेगा इस सब के लिए, ठीक है? Aadhaar linked mobile number is required for the process, ठीक है? The worker should have an active bank account for receiving the benefit. Benefit लेने हैं तो bank account भी चाहिए. So NCS and Atmanirbhar skilled employer mapping portals. So the National Career Service is a mission mode project under Ministry of Labour and Employment. So job matching facilities are provided, career counseling for job notifications are provided, vocational guidance, career centers are there. Common service centers are there, registration and access to NCS services through nearest post offices that is provided, right? Atmanirbhar skilled employer mapping. So ASEEM, it's a digital portal launched by Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship to match the supply of skilled workforce with the market demand. It uses artificial intelligence, ठीक है? So I hope students you like the today's session. आपको ये class पसंद आई होगी the way I teach. So we'll continue this session of teaching government schemes for MSMEs tomorrow. कल continue करेंगे for SIDBI Grade A, Grade B exam. Link to join the course is available in the description where we are covering the entire syllabus. Join the class on BankExamsToday.com. List of our successful students are always there on BankExamsToday.com. All these students that took our courses in the past and they cracked their respective exams and I'm really, really happy for them. You can be one of them in the future and yes, you will be one of them in the future. If there is any doubt in your mind, please ask your doubts and we are going to answer your doubts. And that's all for today, students. Thank you and have a very nice day. Bye-bye.